This is Rizal Park Hotel bathroom. This is a mirror. It's like that. It's gonna be shaky. There's a chandelier, two beds, side table. It's a fake drawer. It's not a real drawer. So this is the one of the two beds. Then they got here. Oh, this is storage. Oh, this is storage. Another one here. And then here, coffee. I think it's complimentary. And then fridge. Is this fridge? Or yeah, this is fridge. Okay. Let's close that. This is study. Table where you can do your stuff. And here, another bed. And this is the view outside. You ready? This is the view. So this is the view. It's Hotel H2O and Ocean Park. The water. This is the third floor. And that's it. I'm gonna show you the bathroom. This is the restroom. So the shower, this is the shower. Then that's how you close it. This the mirror. Using my phone. I forgot my GoPro, so I'm using my phone. So they got you some toiletries. I'm shaving. Oh, I need that now. Vanity kit. So toothbrush. Very good. Lotion. Job. Mirror. And then some towels. And then the toilet. And then the shower. Oh, I like that shower. The shower is nice. Let me see that. Let me get into that. The shower is that. Some toiletries. This has been used, so it will be clean later or tomorrow. That's it. Enjoy.